How do you start content marketing? Starting content marketing involves a strategic approach to create and distribute valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Define your goals. Clearly outline your objectives. Whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, customer retention, or thought leadership, understanding your goals will guide your content strategy. 2. Know your audience. Identify your target audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Create buyer personas to help tailor your content to specific segments. 3. Research keywords. Conduct keyword research to identify topics that your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google, Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to find relevant keywords. 4. Create a content calendar. Plan your content in advance using a content calendar. This helps ensure a consistent flow of content and allows you to align it with important events or seasons. 5. Choose content types. Determine the types of content that resonate with your audience. This could include blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, webinars, and more. 6. Develop high-quality content. Create content that is valuable, informative, and engaging. Focus on solving problems for your audience and providing real value. 7. Optimize for SEO. Incorporate relevant keywords into your content to improve search engine visibility. Pay attention to on-page SEO elements such as meta titles, descriptions, and headers. 8. Promote your content. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to promote your content. Leverage both organic and paid promotion strategies to maximize reach. 9. Build an email list. Capture email addresses to build a subscriber base. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing leads and maintaining a relationship with your audience. 10. Measure and analyze. Use analytics tools, for example Google Analytics, to track the performance of your content. Monitor metrics such as website traffic, engagement, conversion rates, and social media metrics. 11. Adjust and iterate. Regularly review your content marketing strategy. Analyze what's working and what isn't. Adjust your approach based on the insights gained from analytics. 12. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, questions, and feedback. Engaging with your audience helps build a community and strengthens your brand's relationship with its customers. 13. Stay informed. Keep up with industry trends and changes in consumer behavior. Staying informed will help you adapt your content strategy to evolving needs and preferences. Remember, content marketing is an ongoing process that requires consistency and adaptability. Be patient, as results may take time to materialize. Continuously refine your strategy based on data and feedback to achieve long-term success.